Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is a thumb brace from the Dr. Arthritis store. I chose this brace on the recommendation of my physical therapist. It's ambidextrous, so you're going to be able to use it for either hand, and it's fully adjustable, which means I can use it, my husband can use it, and if it feels like there's some swelling or if it feels too tight, you can easily adjust it. It has 3 different Velcro straps, 1 around the thumb and 2 around the hand area or wrist area. But your fingers are completely free. So you have the use of your hand while keeping your thumb immobilized with these 2 metal braces that are on either side of the thumb joint. So on the opposite side of your thumb, you're going to feel those 2 braces there, and that keeps the thumb pretty immobilized from bending. So this is great if you are looking for a thumb brace specifically that keeps your hand free, that also immobilizes the thumb but is fully adjustable. So if it feels like it's a little tight or different times of the day, maybe you feel a little more swollen, you can easily just open it and adjust it in those 3 different places so it makes it more comfortable. I have to sleep with it at night, so it's important that I have good adjustability. This has been an excellent brace for me. It has kept my thumb immobilized, but I still have the use of my hand. And the fact that it's fully adjustable means it's just more comfortable, so I'm more likely to wear it longer, which is going to give me the immobilization I need for my thumb to heal. And that is my point of view.